riding's really very good.
Thanks.
Observations, speed, everything except for one thing.
For the junction.
At the junction, turning left. Yeah.
Yeah. My initial idea was going wide so I can position myself really well.
Yeah, I understand that.
But yeah, going that one is leaving a room on the left for someone to come in, isn't it?
Leaving far too much room on the left. Somebody will sneak in there.
Yeah.
That's what the examiner would say.
Yeah.
And it actually failure was a serious fault for it.
Yeah.
So you've just got to get that out your head about everybody. It's funny, a lot of people really want to do that.
Yeah.
They want to ride into the junction. It's a good idea to turn your bike in.
Yeah, because basically if this is the line, your bike is like this. So, but like you said, it's when you're leaving that much room, there's someone gonna sneak on there.
That's right.
Because he thinks that you're gonna think.
You can still turn your bike in.
Yeah.
If you're a metre and a quarter from the curb, you can still turn your bike in the last.
Yeah. Because the last time when Dave and I is doing, I was coming too tight on the
square. Yeah.
I was coming too tight, and when I'm pulling that way, I'm sort of putting my right foot on the road because I was too late turning. And I'm gonna.
It's a good idea when you're turning right. To get that angle.
Yeah. So when it's like that,
But it's how much.
Yeah.
How much you give, and it's when you're turning right from a major to a minor road, like on Seaton Carew Seafront.
Yeah.
You couldn't move over early because you had that truck
traffic,
coming towards you. But once he'd passed, you should be thinking about getting over to the white line.
To the white line, yeah.
Right beside you. I mean, if it's just a car coming towards you, right beside you. Because what we did there, we held up a couple of cars behind us because we were sitting
right in the middle of the road.
We ended up sitting about here.
Yeah.
So the cars behind had to slow down and stop.
Yeah.
And again, the examiner doesn't like that when you're turning right.
Yeah.
He wants you up to the line, if it's safe for you to do it.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to do a couple of emergency stops here. So you can go right to the end and turn round, right down towards me.
Yeah.
Hand in the air, the usual thing, you've done it before. But honestly, your riding is really very good.
Thanks.
Correct that. Just, you're giving it too much width when you're going in.
Yeah.
Correct that, and you're ready for your mod 2 as well. There's
nothing lovely.
Really stopping you if I can get your tests, taking them and passing them.
Yeah.
So get it done.
Yeah. Brill.
Right, major.
Okay, up. Yeah, yeah.
It's a bit sort of greasy, it feels greasy underfoot. Right, come on back, go down, come back along this way then.
I think I've gone over the limit that the speed.
That's okay. Well, when you do your test, you know the speed you've got.
32, yeah.
Is 50.
Yeah.
50k.
Okay, yeah.
kph for a clean pass. But you also get a pass 48 or 49k with a minor fault, and you get 2 goes on the day. So if you're too slow, you get a second chance. So if you're doing 46, 47, it'll send you round again. But if you lock a wheel, which you shouldn't on this bike, if you lock a wheel or you hit a cone or something, you don't get a second chance. It takes you off the set.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another one this way.
I'm a bit apprehensive stopping.
Yeah?
I'm a bit apprehensive because
With the kids
Yeah.
being there. Are your hands cold?
it's a bit cold earlier on.
Yeah, you've got thin gloves on, haven't you? Right, go on, we'll do one more this way.
You haven't put your hands up. I'm going too fast. 35.
We're going too fast, that's all I was doing, was saying flatten it a little. When you do this on the circuit, you go around the loop at about 22, 23 miles an hour, and you wind it up to 32, 33.
And then leave it there.
But then you leave it there, don't keep accelerating.
Yeah.
Because if you've got the gas on, when he puts his hand up, it's a bugger to stop it short, you know, you'll go on forever. So try and get your speed up.
I'm just going to put this down.
That's the best way to do it. And you're in third gear when you do it as well. Yeah, you're in third gear when you do it on the circuit. Right, we'll do one more.
Thank you. I haven't practiced the hazard avoidance one like that.